Buying a house in Ontario without a realtor might seem daunting, but it's absolutely achievable if you know the steps. First, you'll need the Agreement of Purchase and Sale form. This is the official offer document. You can find standard templates online, but make sure it's Ontario specific and legally sound. Crucially, fill out every section carefully. Specify your offered price, the amount of your deposit, and your ideal closing date. Don't forget to include any conditions, like a home inspection or financing approval. Speaking of conditions, protect yourself. A financing condition gives you time to secure your mortgage. A home inspection condition allows you to back out if major issues are discovered. Once completed, present your offer to the seller or their agent. Be prepared to negotiate. They might counteroffer, so decide your limits beforehand. If your offer is accepted, congratulations. Now, immediately connect with a real estate lawyer. They'll handle the legal aspects, review all paperwork, and ensure a smooth closing. Remember, going without a realtor means more responsibility on your shoulders. So be diligent and informed every step of the way.